In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and potentially fix freezing or slowness issues when using online charting tools. We've all been there. You're in the middle of analyzing data when suddenly everything grinds to a halt. But don't worry, there are a few simple steps you can try to resolve these issues, and I'm here to guide you through them. First off, let's talk about reloading your chart page. This is the simplest and often the quickest solution. Sometimes all your browser needs is a little refresh to clear out temporary issues that might be causing the chart to slow down. So try pressing the refresh button on your browser or use the shortcut Control+R if you're on a Windows PC or Command+R on a Mac. This can help reload the data and reset any potential glitches or lags that might have built up. Next, restarting your browser is another straightforward step. After a while, browsers can become bogged down with various processes, and a simple restart can clear out these issues. Close your browser completely and then open it again, making sure to navigate directly back to your charting interface. This action ensures your browser starts afresh without any accumulated clutter from prolonged usage. Now let's address browser tabs. We all sometimes go a little tab crazy, but having too many open tabs can significantly drain your computer's resources and slow down your browser. It's crucial to close any additional tabs that aren't contributing to your immediate work. Focus solely on your chart to free up system resources, which should lead to improved performance. Moving on, let's talk about browser extensions. While extensions can be incredibly useful, they can also slow down your browser, especially if they are not optimized well. Consider disabling or even removing extensions that you don't use regularly. To do this, go into your browser's settings, find the extensions menu, and deactivate those you don't need at the moment. By minimizing their load, you allow more resources for your chart, potentially solving the slowness or freezing issues you're experiencing. Lastly, trying a different browser might be your solution. Different browsers handle resources and web pages differently. If your current browser is struggling with your chart, trying another one like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge could make a difference. Each has unique ways of processing data, and switching might help your charts perform better. By following these steps, you can often clear up many of the common issues that cause slowness or freezing. I hope these tips help you make the most of your online charting experience. Thanks for watching.